What's up, everybody? Chef Billy Parisi here from billyparisi.com. And today it's all about that sweet tooth because we're making some insanely delicious homemade buttermilk pancakes. And our friends over at Bob's Red Mill are going to help us out. We are moving right along in this breakfast series that I've created. And dude, I love breakfast. So this is seriously so amazing, so much fun. I'd probably gain 5 pounds, but it's worth it. So next on the map, we've got some homemade buttermilk pancakes. They're gonna be light, they're gonna be fluffy, they're gonna be delicious. You're gonna eat 3 or 4 before you even know it, and then you're gonna be cursing me out. But man, are they so good. And it's crazy to think that over the 700 recipes I've got on billyparisi.com, I've never made pancakes. I mean, what kind of chef am I? I mean, what kind of normal human am I? I've never made pancakes? Like, what in the world? I call myself a blogger or a chef. Dang. Anyways, let's get to making them. I know you're gonna love it. We're gonna start off by using some Bob's Red Mill all-purpose flour. We're gonna add that to a bowl. Their all-purpose flour is fantastic. Great for pie crust, enough protein in there for some rustic breads, and perfect for these buttermilk pancakes. We're gonna hit it with some sugar. The next thing we're gonna do is add in some baking powder, gonna help keep them fluffy and elevated. Next, we're gonna add in a pinch of salt. We're gonna set those dry ingredients to the side because now it's time to mix together our wet ingredients, starting with cracking a few large eggs right into that separate bowl. We're gonna start whisking them just to break them up a little bit so they're easier to combine and whisk with the rest of the wet ingredients. While doing that, let's go ahead and pour in some buttermilk. I'm gonna stop you right there. If you wanna make your own buttermilk, simply add a tablespoon of white distilled vinegar to 1 cup of whole milk. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Boom, you've got homemade buttermilk. I'm gonna keep it easy. I'm gonna buy from the store. Just do that. Let's keep it simple here, folks. But just in case you wanna make it, there you go. Now to add a little bit more liquid, I'm gonna add some whole milk. Followed up lastly by adding in some melted butter. Be sure to whisk this very, very well until it is completely combined. Then bring over that big old bowl of dry ingredients. What we want to do is add this mixture to the dry ingredients. Whisk it together very, very gently, okay? Do not overmix. And for that, let's stop right here. You want to know what the key to light and fluffy pancakes are? It's by not overmixing them. You want those little air pockets or what it looks like to be unsifted little flour chunks. This is exactly how it's supposed to look before you cook them. It will make them light, it will make them fluffy. The batter should kind of be thick, but a little bit runny. You see those chunks in there? Don't touch them. You are in a great, great position right here. Let's head over to the cooktop. Now, you can either use a large frying pan. I know I'm a little bit spoiled because I got a griddle built into my cooktop. I'm gonna use that. If you have a griddle at home, I highly recommend using it when it comes to cooking pancakes. Just gets that perfect sear. There's lots of surface space. You can do a few at a time, which is really hard to do in a frying pan. So what we're gonna do is hit it with a little bit of butter. As soon as it's melted, let's go ahead and start adding on our pancake batter. I usually do 2 or 3 at a time in this griddle. It only takes about 1.5 to 2 minutes before you want to flip it over. The way that you know it's ready to flip is that those air bubbles, those air pockets on the top of the pancakes will start to pop. They'll come up and they'll start to pop. It's time to flip it over. You want that beautiful golden brown on the other side of that pancake when you flip it. You'll see that it starts to rise. I mean, this angle is really cool. You'll see the pancake start to rise up. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. You just repeat this process until all of the pancake batter is completely used up. And guess what? After you put that butter on the first time, there's no need to put any more butter for the rest of the time when using a griddle. It keeps them non-stick. It's perfect. Now to plate up, simply add it to a plate. I like to finish mine off with a little more butter. And then last but not least, what would pancakes be without pouring on a ton of delicious maple syrup? Now we're done. Let's, of course, try this out. Just to make sure I'm not lying, let's go ahead and tear one of these open. You can see how fluffy they are. They are just absolutely amazing. It smells unreal in here, just the right amount of sweetness. Bob's flour coming through big time. Of course, let's get into this because, dude, I love pancakes. I mean, I've loved pancakes since I was a kid. I mean, I'll never forget my dad making pancakes almost every Saturday morning when we were home. Let's try it out. Don't want to waste no more time. These are insane. We'll see you next week. I'm gonna eat this whole thing in like 2 seconds.